Hello everyone, welcome back to Pandas series. In today's episode, we will explore how to work with text data in Pandas. Text data requires specific techniques for cleaning, manipulating and extracting useful information. So let's get started. To demonstrate these concepts, let's use a sample data set. Imagine we have a data about customer review, the review ID, customer name and the feedback. Let me first run this code. So in this code, we have created a data frame df with customer review data. Now let's explore techniques for working with text data. So let's move forward. So in this code, what we are doing, we are checking if a specific word great and amazing are present in the feedback column. We use then str.contain function to create new Boolean column, indicating whether each feedback contains the respective word. So let's run this code. So if you can see, we have, here in first we have great, so that is true, rest all are false. We don't have great, and here we have true, and because we have amazing here, and rest are false because we haven't have the amazing in rest of the rows. One thing to notice here is we have mentioned case equals to false, which is it is asking the function to ignoring the uppercase and the lower case. Okay, so let's move forward. Now if we wanted to extract specific word from text, we can use the string extract function with a regular expression. In this example, we are extracting positive feedback word like great, amazing, love from the feedback column. So let me run this one. And one more thing also, here I have import re, which is for a regular expression, and then I have provided the flags equals to re dot ignore case to ignoring the case into the feedback, because here I have mentioned everything into the lower case. So let me run this one. So if you can see here, it is providing it is extracting the word like great, amazing, here it couldn't find anything, and then love. And that concludes today's episode on working with text data in Pandas. By using techniques like word counting, text extraction, punctuation removal, we can gain valuable insight from textual information. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in our Pandas series. Thank you for watching.